The self-help industry often promises transformation, but the reality is far more complex. Many find themselves trapped in a cycle of consumption without action. This is the self-help lie. You're not broken because you haven't read enough. You're broken because you haven't executed anything you read. You've consumed it all: books, podcasts, reels, quotes. And you're still stuck, still broke, still invisible, still trying to figure out why none of it is working. Let me make it simple. Self-help is a drug, and the industry is your dealer. It feeds you hope, gives you dopamine, makes you feel like you're making progress, but leaves you in the exact same place. And it's not your fault. You've been programmed this way. But this is where the loop ends. This is OLP 365. A system built on masculinity, not wishful thinking. 12 paths, each one forged to rebuild identity through fire. We don't talk theory, we track the mirror, we burn the labels, we execute daily, we build tribe, we move like men. And the reason OLP 365 works? Because your brain doesn't respond to knowledge, it responds to your identity. What is your identity? Be centurion. When you decide that you're not a scroll anymore, the game changes. You become a centurion. You start path 1. You join the mission. Change your identity from weak to strong, centurion. Every video OLP 365 is for you to build a new and powerful identity. Every call out is a test. Every drop is a dagger. And now it's your turn, centurion. Comment, fight on. Then go execute. Journal, burn the label, track the mirror, choose your path. And when you're done, come back and watch the next video and the next. There are more fights to win.